to Ellen's Tutorials, your English literature class for the students of 9 and 10 based on the ICSE pattern for the immediate preparation of your board and other exams. This class is taken by Joseph, Little Flower School, Salempur. My Greatest Olympic Prize is an autobiography written by Jesse Evans, the greatest Olympian in 1936 Berlin Olympics. He was born in the year 1930 and called to his eternal rest in the year 1980. Look at the portrait of this great Olympian, Jesse. Let us know a little more about this great personality. He was born on September 12, 1913 in Alabama, USA. His teacher gave him the name Jesse. Athletic career began in 1928. He set junior high school records by clearing 6 feet in the high jump and leaping 22 feet 11.3 inches in long jump. He participated in 1936 Olympics. He was the first American track and field athlete to win 4 gold medals in a single Olympic. He was an inspirational speaker, a motivational speaker. He was called to his eternal life on March 31, 1980 in Arizona, USA. Let us understand the introductory part of this autobiography. Even before going that, I would like to read a quotation for you. We all have dreams, but in order to make dreams come into reality, it takes an awful lot of determination, dedication, self-discipline and effort, said by Jesse Evans. Yes, dear students, if we want to achieve our dreams, we need to make a lot of pain, dedication, self-discipline in our life. It is a heart-touching experience of Jesse Evans, who amazed the world by winning 4 gold medals at 1936 Berlin Olympics. It tells about Jesse's athletic achievement of 4 gold medals, besides dispelling Adolf Hitler's notion of Aryan superiority, according to which German athletes would perform better than any other athletes. Jesse won the friendship of German athlete Lars Long, which he considered greater than all the medals he had won in the Olympics. Let us understand the background of this beautiful autobiography. Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. It refutes the idea of Aryan superiority theory through Evans' individual excellence. In 1936 Berlin Olympic Games, Hitler wanted to show the world that the Aryans were the dominant race. Theory is disproved by Jesse by winning 4 gold medals in 100-meter race, 200, 4 into 100-meter race and long jump. First one to congratulate Jesse was Lars Long, which Nazis never envisioned. Jesse Evans and Lars Long. Look at this beautiful word. Jesse, our Lars Long was a German long jumper who kept the record, world record, and Jesse, our athlete and long jumper. Again, characterization of this autobiography, our Lars Long and Jesse, how friends they are, how friendly they are sitting. Plot development of this autobiography. Jesse Evans, the US athlete, went to participate in the Berlin Olympics in 1936. Adolf Hitler wanted to prove his belief in the superiority of his Aryan race. Jesse resolved to break Hitler's belief. Jesse's performance for the long jump at the trials was faulty. Lars Long, a German athlete, as you can see here in this picture, is advising him. A German athlete advised Jesse to jump a few inches before the usual takeoff spot. Jesse followed Lars' advice, and Jesse and Lars became lifelong friends. Jesse not only qualified for the final but also won a gold medal. Jesse prized his friendship with Lars Long more than the gold medals. Look at this total story. This picture will tell you the total content of this autobiography. Let us learn the summary of this one. Jesse Owens, the son of a sharecropper, has written this story to share his Olympic experience and the friendship he won. He has achieved what no other Olympian before him had accomplished. It was the time when the patriotic feeling was at its top in Germany. Hitler was of the view that the Nazis were the highest race among others. He denied accepting that any black could never win the race or be successful. This had a great impact on Jesse Owens, who was an African American athlete. Initially, he did not bother about all this as he had faith in his abilities, but when he saw Lars Long, he was surprised by his performance. He expressed his determination to win the medal and prove to the world who was superior and who was not. He referred to the anger he showed against Germans, which resulted in falls in trials. He failed twice in the qualifying jumps. Lars Long appeared on the scene and asked him to reason which bothered him. Lars Long spoke to Jesse in encouraging words and advised him to mark a line few inches behind the board and take off from there. Evans felt relaxed and confident. Lars Long knew that if Evans won, it would mar his chances of winning the gold medal, but he took the risk and continued to urge him. This made Evans to win the medal and set a stunning record, and he has been remembered as the best athlete in Olympic history. But Evans feels that his friendship with Lars Long was greater than that of all the medals he won. The friendship ended only when Lars Long was killed in World War II. The theme of this beautiful autobiography, true spirit of sportsmanship, showing true friendship. Look at the image, both the athletes, Lars and Evans. They are congratulating each other right in front of Hitler. The title of this story, let us understand it. The title is very appropriate and is as it is an autobiography. The actual title of referring to Jesse's friendship with the German athlete Lars Long as the greatest prize and not his 4 gold medals in 1936 Berlin Olympics. The friendship between Jesse and Lars Long signifies or justifies the title. Of course, find the good. It's all around you. Find it, showcase it, and you will start believing it. Again, Jesse, the motivational, inspirational speaker, advised the world. Thus, dear students, what you have learned in this one is just an autobiography of Jesse Owens. Hope you have understood this class. It is just a nutshell form of the chapter. Please read in detail and make your notes for your better study. Thank you very much and hope you have understood the class. Have a nice day. Thank you.